Vaishak here from Epic Tech today. So today I'm going to teach you how to install twrp recovery on K20 Pro. So let's begin. So this is my laptop and these are all the files you require to install. So let me zoom it in. So let me begin. So first you have to press on ADB setup. All the links for the files are in the description, so be sure to check in. So you have to install everything by pressing Y, enter, Y and enter, Y and enter. So then you will start installing and press next, finish. So that's it for ADB setup. So now I'll give you a file named platform tools. It will be in zip when I give it to you. You just have to unzip. So after you unzip, you'll get platform tools. It will be like this. So what you have to do is you have to go to the orange box recovery. You just have to copy recovery there. Just copy it and then just paste it to platform tools. So as you can see, I have pasted it right here. So now what I have to do is I have to press shift and right button on the mouse simultaneously so that the command window will prompt out. So I'll press shift and right button. So on the newer laptops you get is open for PowerShell window right here, this option. Just press on that and you'll get a window like this. So just to check if your device is working properly, first let me boot my phone before doing anything into fast boot. So for that you have to press power button and volume down simultaneously. So let us wait for a second and then it'll boot. So now it's on fast boot. So what you have to do is press fast boot devices right here. Just type it in the keyboard to check it. So as you can see, I have got a number and it's saying fast boot right here. So yeah, so it means the drivers and the ADB drivers and all have installed properly. So now what I have to do is, and after this just press flash fast boot, flash recovery, and just give space after this and just find for the recovery thing here. So what you have to do is you have to just drag the image of the orange fox recovery right there. So let me go right here and from the platform tools folder just drag this recovery right here. So just drag it and everything will come on its own. Then what you have to do is just press enter key. So now it's sending recovery. So it just finished flashing the recovery. So now what we have to do is we have to boot into recovery. For that, so now take your phone, just press the power button and volume up. This time it's volume up, not down. So let me press it. So after you hear the vibration, just leave the buttons. And now we have successfully booted into recovery project. Don't hurry guys, the process is still not over. Just watch the video completely or else you have to do this again. So now what you have to do is go to menu and press on mount and enable MTP, which is media transfer protocol. So now go to your PC and on your PC you have to copy this into your phone, which is disabled DM. So I'll just copy it, copy, and now I'll go to my phone. This is the internal storage and I'll just paste it here. So the file is pasted. Now what I have to do is swipe it and now it's right here. I just have to press this and just swipe it. then it'll just install. And the reason of installing this thing is so that when you reboot your phone next time, it won't ask you the twrp will disappear automatically. If you install this, the twrp will stay there permanently. So that is the reason of flashing this. So what you have to do now is, so that's it for installing the twrp, guys. I hope you had an epic day. So just unlock this and just press on reboot system, and the phone will just reboot normally. So if you like the video, guys, please like, share, subscribe, because it really helps me a lot so that I can bring you new contents every day. Thank you, guys. Bye bye. See you in the next video.